Icing calibration, required for every new batch. Click the Calibrate button. Load any cookie 7.6 cm or larger and click Start Icing Calibration. Use one of the loading options shown earlier. Freddie will take a picture, scan the height and preview where it will lay down the calibration beads. If the preview shows the beads on the cookie, click Continue to calibrate. It will empty some of the first frosting in the back of the capping station to the wiping station so that there are no bubbles or excess water in the icing. Calibration lays down 1 outline bead and 2 flood beads. It measures how much the icing beads spread to auto-set the distance between lines in the icing plan. Turn off overhead lighting for best results. If a calibration fails, cancel and redo it with different pressure settings.